Hello viewers, in this video I am going to show you how to download and install Brave browser in Windows 11. First open your any other browser, then go to search bar and write here Brave browser, then go to first brave.com, then click on get Brave. Now you can see the automatically download Brave file. Click on show in folder, and then double click on it. Now you can see Brave browser setup tight installing on my PC. It takes some time to download this file. A few seconds remaining to finish download. Download complete. Now waiting for install. Install in process. It will be complete automatically. Finally, my Brave browser is installed successfully. Now you can see this is my Brave browser. Now you can search anything. Brave browser is ad free. Thank you. Now you can say search engine also. Thank you.